Hey, Quando Dingle's here. Today we're going to be flying this helicopter, because we can,
And we're gonna blink it. And if y'all seen, I was gonna upload this video, but see, I couldn't, I thought y'all don't really need to hear it really much, It's a really good beam chilling vehicle, especially since it can do this. See, bruh. Chinese these days. Bruh. They always were right about Chinese stuff breaking down. Or they was trying to do a cool flip. An American vehicle would stand up for it. China's just like, nope, let's just use cotton for our vehicles. I know how to fly a helicopter. It looks like I don't. I was in a real helicopter once. My brother was in it too. Yeah.
Hello.
I don't even think they heard you, Ethan. Got a bit. Hello, you do.
Hello.
And this is gonna get probably only 60 views. As normal. Normal. I put my arm on it and I show you that I
Bro, why is your door open?
Air.
Bro, don't need no air. Breathe air.
I cannot even defeat an Abrams tank, and then it's like, how about we just spawn one in for you?
I farted.
Guys, that's Ethan's statement. Hopefully he doesn't burp. I don't want y'all to lose a member. A soul has been lost. Okay, so are those fakes or are those real? Alright, so no souls lost.
All of them are.
Good.
Who in the heck is that?
Oh, that's Landon. Just texted me and said, who the heck is this? I really cannot destroy that. I know why. Because I identify as American, but I'm Polish. Where do you identify as, Ethan? Half brother, butter, a brother from another mother. When you identify as Irish?
Yeah. I'm also part. I'm Scottish, Irish, Native American. I think I might be a little bit German.
Oh good. You know what doesn't mix together?
Guten Tag.
No.
That means hello in German. Yes, it does.
I know German. It's hello. And hallo.
That's just in their accent.
But I speak a southern accent. I am German, Polish, probably
Crashes.
not Chinese. Well, that's for sure.
I put my armor on to show you how strong I am. I put my armor on to show you how strong I am.
Your soul is lost. No. Stop spying on my text.
No.
Yes.
What is that?
Dead.
Nice job, nice job, nice. Bro, the next one, you should just kamikaze.
This is Chinese, not Japanese.
I don't care, still kamikaze.
Okay. Guess for Soviets. Don't even like the Soviet Union. Come here, Abrams!
Bro, legit hit it.
Bro, I legit hit it and nothing happened. I legit do nothing. I mean, Bing Chilling's about to die, you know. How's that been 6 minutes? Jeez, guys. You gotta give me some ideas because I don't know what y'all want to watch. I don't know if y'all want to do the Jet series anymore because no one even comments really. Some people do. Whoa, 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 co-pilot, you're alive. Not for long. Please do not slump over. You did. Oh God.
How you not dead? Okay.
Literally one time my tail cut loose and I was still flying. You cannot make that up.
Helicopter dead.
You know what, guys? We're gonna change it up a little bit. We're gonna test another Bing Chilling. See this Bing Chilling right here? You see the rocket? We're not gonna use that. We're actually gonna use what they're really meant to do. The songs are like, sweet little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Oh, bullet! Bro, look at this Bing Chilling helicopter. Look at this Bing Chilling helicopter. Okay, now that actually does a lot of damage. You know what? I don't even really like this plane anymore. Turn my life to pieces. This is my last. POV your emo in a helicopter. This is my last 2 pieces. She ripped my life to pieces. This is their last resort. What? Imagine your name was Bing Chilling. Hey, turn that off! I don't want to get copyrighted. Bing Chilling! Bing Chilling! Boom! 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 Talk to myself for hours. They think you don't understand. Yan, 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 yan. I can take myself dancing. Oh, I can hold your old hand. Oh, you think you love me better than you can. You know what's so crazy? I guess you guys want to know, but it's so crazy of how I actually really like this helicopter now. Isn't it So crazy. For 11 minutes.
Barack Obama.
Because you go. You know, I really need to make a meme. I already made one meme. I know that for sure. You guys know it. If you're actually an like OG or like a new guy, you'd probably at least heard of a song, a good song. Maria, boy, I see you over there. Target. I'm with this with the A10 Warhol. Oh.
Bro, oh my god, you didn't do it. You destroyed it.
I didn't even realize all I tried to do was just pull it up like this.
And then you went.
That was smooth.
Bro,
I gotta
almost
clip
failed
that
it,
when this
though.
video's done.
Bro almost failed it though. But that don't matter.
That has to be a legendary clip. You cannot lie.
Yeah.
Oh. I just realized something.
Yeah.
This says USSR propaganda.
Smooth it.
I'm thinking Jim Carrey every day, you know, bruh. Excellent. I can't imagine right now. I can't imagine going over to a party and you be, hey, sorry, I'm a boy, but I still have to go because my parents want me to. And just a little kid's birthday party. I would absolutely be, Mom. Why do I have to go? Why? Remember when we were in the helicopter, Ethan?
Oh yeah.
That was sick.
Yeah. The fact that we actually got to move the stick though.
I think I was moving it a lot. Alright guys, so that has to be a wrap. Bye. Bye guys.